Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku, in this additional of the today's newspaper on Friday, May the 15th, 2020. So let's get started with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku. Alright, let me see, which number can I use? How about the 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column? So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. In the last row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Let's see, the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here. And the same situation as the last row. Oh, no. 1, 9. No, the 2 goes there. Let me see. 2. 7. Yes, in the last row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. Here also a 7. No 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. And then I need to wait for the... Yes. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the middle row. The missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 8. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 8 are left. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then the 8 in this column and the 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing in this column. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then we have the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And now 9 and 2. How about the numbers? Do I have the 8? No. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. The 2 and the 6, the 3. Yes. All right. How about the number? 3 missing numbers here in this big square. The numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. These 2 numbers are the numbers 6 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 3. These 2 numbers are the 8 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 8? These 2 numbers, the last row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then 9, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be here. These 3 numbers are the numbers 9, 2, and 9, 2, and 3. 9, 2, and 3. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for 9 should be there. 2 and the 3 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. 6 and the 8 need to wait. 9. How about 6? Ooh. These 2. 1, 1, 8, 8, 8. 5, 5, 5, 5. The 3 is 3. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 9 are missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. And I remember here the 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3 in the first row. Now we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then we have 2 numbers left in this big square. Oh, no. Yes, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? The 8 and the 6 are missing in this row. 8 and the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. This is a Sudoku 2 stars. So thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with other Sudokus. Thank you and bye bye.